Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today in this video I am going to discuss about how to travel abroad in low budget. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So in order to travel abroad with low budget, number one thing you can do, that is you can select budget friendly destination. As for example, you can select Cambodia, Sri Lanka, Maldives or Thailand as budget friendly destination for your travel. Number second thing you can do, that is you can go to abroad in off season to get discount on flight fare and hotel fare. Number third thing you can do, that is you can go to abroad through cheap flights. As for example, you can go to abroad through AirAsia or Wizz Air. Number fourth thing you can do, that is you can stay in cheap hotel, or you can stay in hostel, or you can stay in guest house, so that you can save your money. Number 15 you can do, that is you can eat local food or you can eat street food, so that you can save your money rather than eating in restaurant. Number 16 you can do, that is you can travel by local train, or you can travel by local buses, or you can hire bike to save your money in abroad. And the last one, number 7 thing you can do, before going to abroad you can take travel insurance in order to claim money if you fall under unusual accident in abroad. So that's the end of this video. I will come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.